The confidence that you feel when you speak up for yourself is incredible because you're gonna wonder, why didn't I do this from the beginning? What was I so afraid of? But the only way that you're gonna build those muscles to start feeling strong and confident on the inside is by taking those steps every day, that you realize that this is a new muscle for you to build. And as you build it, baby doll, you are going to feel strong and powerful. People are going to respect you and they're going to treat you completely differently. And you have the power. You hold the keys. So your confidence is going to go through the roof when you start changing the game by showing up for yourself. And I walk you through exactly how to do that in my new boundaries course. And when you get it, you will get a discounted offer on my brand new Boundaries Bible. It's time for you.